Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I will be doing some human hair crochet. Now this is going to be a versatile install. I will be doing Leavout, and the company that I'm working with today is Charming You. I have worked with them before, so I will link that video up here. But today I will be featuring their kinky straight feather crochet human hair. This is a Yaki texture, and these are pre-separated knotless crochet hairs with micro bundle loops. I have 240 grams in the 20 inches, and I'm going to install every single piece of this hair to ensure that I have a super full install. So this is my braid pattern, and this braid here that I'm showing you is the Leavout. So I have Leavout all around the perimeter and in the middle, so I can do a middle part or a flip over. So here I'm just taking the crochet needle and I am pulling the hair through and then looping it one time. When I do my crochet, I do like to do single knots or single loops. I do not like to double loop because I'm just a little nervous about how that's going to be when it comes to the takedown. I've never had an issue just looping it once. I'm always able to take the hair out. I don't lose any hair and I don't have to cut any hair, so I use that method. If anyone has any other suggestions, I'm open to other methods, so you can leave that down in the comment section. But here, this is going to be my anchor braid, so to speak, and this is the braid that is right underneath my Leavout. So that big braid in the center there will be Leavout. So this here is my anchor braid. So I'm just taking each piece and I'm taking the loop from the crochet hair and pulling it through the braid and then looping it through to secure it, and I space them accordingly. I did have 2 packs of the 20 inches, and that is a total of 240 grams because one pack is 120 grams, which is 100 strands. So in total, I used 200 strands of this hair. What I love about this hair is how lightweight it is. It is definitely the feel of a sew-in without the tension of a sew-in. I have the versatility for this style. I can wear this down the center. I can flip it from left to right. I can wear it in a ponytail. I can wear it in a high bun. It's honestly so discreet and so beautiful. This texture also matches really well with natural hair or relaxed hair. As you can see, it does have the crimps in there that kinky straight sometimes comes with. I did use a flat iron to press it out a little. I didn't thoroughly press it out, but you can remove these crimps with a flat iron. So here I'm just moving on to the side and I'm repeating the same step. It is literally the same process, just looping the hair through and pulling it and securing it one time. And as I said, I spaced them out accordingly. I did go for a super full look. So I made sure I spaced them out so that it was enough space so that it was still full. Also enough space that I could fit all the hair in. Another pro to this hair is you can reuse this hair. This is reusable, 100% human hair. And remind you, this is available on Amazon. I'm gonna have all the links down in the description box in case you want to check this out. This is an Amazon company, and I have worked with them before. I use their hair to do some boho braids. I use their pre-divided hair, and I honestly use that hair not just for myself in that one tutorial. I suggest that hair to my clients as well. I've done both of my sister's hair with that extension hair. Their hair is of good quality. You can check other reviews, do your research. Right now, for the initial install, this hair is holding up just as well as their other hair. So far, they are a 10 out of 10 in my book when it comes to quality and when it comes to price. So for example, this hair, the 20-inch, 120 grams, which is 100 strands, goes for $116, but they do have a 5% coupon, so you can definitely use that to save some money. I do like that this hair was a natural black color. It wasn't too off from my hair. I frequently color my hair jet black. I haven't done it in maybe 2 months, so with a few washes it's faded a little, but it was the perfect match for this hair. So as you can see here, I'm moving along. I basically have 75% of this done, and I am just continuing to fill in these spaces. I also don't have to worry about any strands of gold or green or red in this hair. I know sometimes with human hair you get those wild color strands. I didn't have any of that in this hair. So being that I was able to flat iron the hair, I was able to test it with heat. So the way this hair reacts to heat, I just know for sure that you can curl this hair. None of the hair melted on the blades in my flat iron, which is a telltale sign when you have filler hairs, is when those little pieces start to melt and stick to your flat iron, even when it's under 400 degrees. So I didn't have any of those issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to fill this in. I do show you how I blend my leave out with this hair, which is at the end when I take down those perimeter braids. So I'm gonna let you watch me finish up, and then I will come back when we start to blend the leave out. So here I am all done. This took me about 2 hours minus the braids. I did the braids and then I took a break. So here I am just pressing out some of those crimps because they were pretty defined up at the top. I didn't like that they were that visible, so I just used my flat iron and I used the comb chase method and pressed some of those crimps out just so it wasn't as noticeable. I also go in and I'm going to just press out my leave out, not too much though, because I have some serious heat damage and breakage. So I'm really not trying to pass the flat iron more than once on my leave out. But as you can see, this hair is pressing out really well. It looks so good. This hair texture is gorgeous. You can never miss with kinky straight. It's just, or Yaki perm. You can never miss with those textures because they're just so natural. So as you can see here, once I finish it up and I start to play with the hair, this basically is a seamless install. You would have no idea that this is crochet. You would think that these are either clip-ins or a sew-in, or you would think this is my hair. I am so in love with this install. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Big thank you to Charming You Hair on Amazon. Definitely check all the links in the description box. I will have the link to take you right to their store, so you can check out that hair yourself and let me know what you guys think about this look. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I